Hello, good morning. How are you? I feel excited. Please open your English notebook and inside, please write today is What day is today? Please write today is in your English notebook. Great job! Next, please look outside and see what the weather's like. Please write the weather is Next, I'd like for you to watch a YouTube video. Please click on the link and watch a video with a very cool song. This song will teach you about pronunciation. So remember to listen and repeat. Try singing along with the song. Okay, great job everybody. I will see you next time. Goodbye.